and we have a mystery to solve. Where did the mummy go and who took it? Your first clue was right in the round tables. Right in the round tables. Well, stay tuned at the end of math and you'll get another clue to the mystery. Let's begin with our warm-up. Take a minute to pause and write down in your notebook our problems for the day. All right, welcome back. Here we go. $5.54 minus $2.75. I cannot take 5 away from 4, so I need to regroup. This becomes a 4, and now we have 14 minus 5, which is 9. I cannot take 7 away from 4, so I need to regroup again. And now I have 14 minus 7, which is 7. Bring straight down my decimal point. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down my dollar sign. Final answer, $2.79. Number 2, 2 times what is 40? Well, how many 2s are in 40? I know there are 2 2s in 4 and 0 2s in 0, so my answer is 20. This is the same thing. How many 2s are in 40? I already know, 20. Number 3, if Tom buys 4 packs of 12 pencils, so there were 12 in each pack, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 12 in each pack. How many did he buy? So we're just going to multiply. 12 times 4 equals, drum roll please, 48. That's right, 48 pencils. All right, find the perimeter, which is the distance all the way around the shape. So we're just going to add them up. So to make that easy and organized, I'm just going to go 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8. Okay, so I have 3 and 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, 12, 14, 17. Bring it over here. 9 and 7 is 18, plus 8 is 26. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 36 meters is the perimeter. This is in case you're like a farmer and you need to build a fence. So you need to know how much fencing you need. You would have to find the perimeter. Any farmers out there? No, I didn't think so. All right, number 4, 46 plus what equals 60? Well, I need to find the difference between 46 and 60. I could do that 2 ways. I could count on from 46, but that would take a while. Or remember, difference is subtraction. All I have to do is subtract. I can't take 6 from 0, but I can take it away from 10. 5 minus 4 is 1. My answer is 14. That's it for our warm-up. While I erase, please go ahead and get out your workbook. We're starting on page 709. 709. Yesterday we talked about saving and spending. And today we're going to talk about how when you do save over a long period of time, it adds up. For instance, a lot of workers put a little bit of their paycheck each month into the bank to save for a rainy day. And now it's coming in handy because they're not able to work, so they have to use their savings to pay their bills. So even a little bit each paycheck has added up enough to where they have less stress because they're able to pay their bills for a little while they're not working. Okay, so as I said, we are on 709, and we're going to look at the month of May. So Haley gets a nickel every Monday and every Friday in May. How much money will she get? So we're going to look at the calendar and look at Monday's column. There's the 6th, the 13th, the 20th, and the 27th. So there are 4 Mondays in May. Then we're going to look at the Fridays. That column says 3rd, 10, 17, 24, 31. There are 5 Fridays. So she's going to get 9 nickels. That still doesn't tell me how much money. What can I do to find that out? Yes, multiply by 5 because a nickel is worth 5 cents, and I'm going to get 45 cents. Doesn't seem like much, but maybe Haley's a little kid and she doesn't buy big things. All right, let's look on page 710. Okay, looks like our money amounts are getting bigger. Model and draw. So Tom earns $4 a month and he doesn't spend any. How much can he save in 2 months? So that would be $4 and $4. That's right, $8 he can save. What about 5 months? What do you think? How did you get that answer? Yes, 5 times 4, it was $4, 5 months is $20. 5 times 4 is 20. Let's check out share and show. Number 1, Abby saves $2 each week for 4 weeks. So 2, 2, 2, 2. How much will she save? Yes, 4 times 2 equals $8. Number 2, Henry saves $5 for 5 months. Your answer is 5 times 5 equals 25. Very good. Let's move on to 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. Has anyone been to that store? All right. Number 3, Ms. Bailey's class saves $10 for a party. How much will they save in 6 months? Oh, I'd like to save for a party. 10 times 6, $60. That might buy a pretty good party. Number 4, Shelly wants to buy a book that costs $10. If she saves $2 a week, how long will it take? So she needs to get to 10, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many weeks? 5. Yes, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Number 5, a game costs $23. If Davis saves $3 each week, how long will it take him to save enough money to buy the game? How much will he have left over? So when we divide and it doesn't go equally or evenly, right? Then you have these leftovers, which are called remainders. For instance, if I try to divide, let's say, 21 by 5, it goes 4 times, but there's 4 times 5 is 20. So there would be 1 left over. So we would say the remainder is 1. Okay, so let's tackle this one. We know that the game costs $23, which is kind of an odd number. So right away I'm going to know I'm going to have leftovers. Okay, and Davis gets $3 per week. So I need to think about my 3's and come just over 23, right? So let's count by 3's. Let's do it up here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Okay, which one is just over 23? That's right, 24. So this would be 1 week, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know he's going to have to save 8 weeks to get a little bit over, right? Because if he only saved 7, he wouldn't have enough. So he's got to save just a little bit over. So now he's got $24, but his game only costs $23. So how much will he have left over? $1. Very good. So 8 weeks and $1 left over. You're going to go ahead and pause the video while you do the daily assessment task on 7-12, and then we'll come back and correct. All right, you're back. Let's look at our answers. Number 6, Dee Dee earns $4 each week, and then each week she spends $2 and saves the rest. How much will she save in 3 weeks? So basically she's spending half of her $4. So what's half of 4? 2, that's right. And after 3 weeks, 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals $6. Very good. Number 7, Max earns $3 each week. If he saves all of his money, how many weeks will it take him to save $15? Okay, so he needs to get to 15. How many 3's are in 15? 15 divided by 3 equals 5 weeks. Very good. Number 8, Rita saves $5 each month. How much will she save in 4 months? 5 times 4 equals 20. Very good. All right. You are going to tear out 713 and 714, the yellow ones. These are the only ones Mom and Dad need to send me. Okay? And I think we're ready for our second clue. Clue number 2. So we've got right in the round tables, and he is glowing. Well, let's see. That guy's circle is glowing. He's certainly glowing. He's glowing. He's glowing. Wait a minute. He's maybe a little bit glowing. Most of them are glowing. Well, I guess I have to put the two together. Come back for reading for our final clue, and I bet you can figure out, where did the mummy go?